Thank you, God, for the gift that you gave me. Thank you for my mom, for her smile. No one is more gentle. She's the only one, my beautiful mommy, inside and out. Just want to say that I love you. You are my best friend, now and forever. I am so thankful, Mom, for you. Thank you, Mom, for all that you gave me, for long and sleepless nights. I know I'm blessed, Mom, by your prayers. Thanks for your kind heart, my beautiful mommy, inside and out. Just want to say that I love you. You are my best friend, now and forever. I am so thankful, Mom, for you.
Malamig na eh! Wala siyang pakialam mo.
Since I opened my eyes, I've remembered your smile.
Happy birthday, Ma. Salamat sa pag-intindi sa amin ng Bibi. I wish you a very long-lasting life and have a good health. Ano sabihin mo kay Lola? Happy birthday, Lola! Happy birthday, Lola! Laksi.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Mama, happy birthday. Nandito ako sa Dinglasan. Thank you po sa lahat. And I love you po.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Shot puno!
Happy birthday!
Anong hindi
Wala pa. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mama Risa! Happy birthday! Oh, yung kape mo, oh. Ayun na, nandun na. Oh, painom na, painom. Painom na. Asan na yung aming ano? Pang-inom. Lika dito.
Hello, hello! Happy birthday sa pinakamamahal kong nanay sa Oman, Nanay Risa. Happy birthday, more birthday to come. I miss you all. Ang wish ko lang, good health and more blessing. So, sana maka-more travel ka rin. And I love you. Happy birthday from me and Annie. Wow!
Hello Risa, happy birthday. Ingat ka dyan palagi, mahal na mahal ka namin. Sana umuwi ka na para punta ulit kami na Mindoro. I love you, happy birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Risa.
Tita Risa, happy birthday.
Hello! Birthday na ng animal. Diyos ko po. At least, maganda ka pa rin, ina, at sexy. Happy birthday, Ate Risa. Alam ko, enjoy mo ang birthday mo ngayon. Kahit may kaunting surprise sa'yo. Syempre, si Ara palagi. Alam mo yan. And, ikain mo na lang kami ng mga handa mo. Miss na namin ang iyong pansit. And, pag-uwi nyo, kung kailan man kayo magbabakasyon, abay, i-treat nyo naman kami na matikman naman ng mga lumipas na mga nag-birthday dyan. Okay? Ang pray ko palagi kay Lord ay good health and safety ninyo palagi kayo nandiyan dyan. And Enjoy your day. Alam ko, happy ka today. And, yun lang, ina. I miss you. Miss ko na din kayong lahat dyan. Ingat palagi. God bless.
Hi, good day ate. Happy birthday. I wish and I pray long life and satisfied life. Patuloy mong maranasan ang patuloy na biyaya ng Panginoong Diyos. Ate Risa, thank you for everything. And patuloy kang ingatan ng Diyos at sa iyong kaarawan. Ano man ang desire ng puso mo, alam ko hindi ito bibiguin ng Diyos, hindi ka tatagpuin. Kaya naman, enjoy your day. God bless you. And more great favor and blessing coming from the Lord. Happy birthday. I love you.
Surprise! Hi, Riza. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in the world. And I wish you a year as beautiful as you are, as wonderful as you are. I miss you so much. So much. Thank you, Ara, for giving me this opportunity to talk to you all. I wish we can have maybe sometime a video call or something like that. Andrew said hello and happy birthday. I'm sorry he's not able to be in the same video and all of that. He's not really feeling well. But we always think of you. We always talk about you, and we miss you so much. Love you all. Thank you, Ara, again. You take care. Say hi to Hayat, please. And Riza, I hope you are having a wonderful life with your kids there in Oman. Miss you again so much. You take care. Bye-bye.
I love